Hey, what's happening, sixth grade students at East Millbrook? Welcome to week 2 of remote learning. Last week in science, we focused on the plant, the parts of the plant, the structures, and the functions of the plant. We're now going to move into week 2, which involves food chains. We're going to learn about food chains today. And on Wednesday, you're going to learn about food webs. As you're looking at this video, you're going to see our target for this week. And the target is for you, the student, to be able to summarize how energy from the sun is transferred within a food chain or food web. Now, before I go through this document, okay, I'm going to walk you through this document and how to navigate it and how to click on the hyperlinks so you can get to the different readings and the different videos and the different Google Docs. Before we get into that, I want to mention two words to you, okay? Number one, organism. You got to know what an organism is, okay? An organism is a plant, an animal, or a single-celled living thing, just like you and I. We are organisms, okay? Very important that you know that, okay? Organism. Second word is ecosystem. Now, you should know this from fifth grade. An ecosystem is simply a community of organisms and the environment that they live in. So think about your family. Think about your home. It's an ecosystem. Okay, there's a bunch of organisms living in a house. It's an ecosystem. Think about an ecosystem like a pond. You got fish, you got frogs, you got plants, you got maybe some birds. They're ecosystems. Okay? All right, so let me break down this document and then I'm going to let you get started on your work today. All right, so as you scroll down this document that you're going to find uploaded to your Google Classroom, you're going to notice a couple things. On the left-hand side, here are pretty much here's your lesson template, your lesson plan template, okay? You got the engage and activate side, and you got explore and discover. You're going to work down this left side. You're going to work from left to right, okay? So the first thing you need to do is you need to make a prediction in your head as to what you think a food chain is. All right, now that you've done that, you're going to click right here. It says watch this video clip to learn about what a food chain is. Notice throughout this document, you're going to have some blue words that are underlined. When you click on those are called hyperlinks. All right, I'm trying to demonstrate to you. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to a video. All right, you're going to watch that video. After you're done watching that video on what a food chain is, you're going to come over here to the right side of the document and it says answer the following quick check. You see the word here, it's blue, it's underlined. If you click on it, it's going to take you to a Google form, a Google quiz. Go ahead and answer that question in there and submit that. Okay, that's how you're going to navigate through this document. All right, so engage and activate, complete your task here on the right. Scroll down. I've got two texts in this column, explore and discover, and I also have a video for you to watch. All right, those of you on the director's team, you know what it means to look at a video or a picture and think about what you see and what you wonder. Okay, that's the purpose of this video right here. Now, when you read both of these texts, read this text and interactive, you're going to click over here on this graphic organizer. It's in a Google Doc. Go ahead and complete what's in the graphic organizer. Okay, so that's step 2. So we're 2/3 of the way there. All right. The last part of this document, organize and apply. So now we're going to be thinking about food chains and how human behavior can affect food chains. Your task, show your teachers what you've learned. In order to do that, you're going to click on this final blue hyperlink. This hyperlink is going to take you to a slide deck. I've given you the title slide. Your job is to complete the remaining 4 slides. Go ahead and complete it, submit it. You've got 3 things to turn in today. All right, today's Monday, October 20th. You've got 3 tasks to complete for science. I hope you have success. And if you have any questions, reach your teachers during their office hour times. Thank you, boys and girls. Have a good day.